Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter number 12, linear equations and inequalities in one variable. As all you have already done in earlier classes, how to solve a linear equation. Now the first question is you have to solve the questions from 1 to 11. Okay, so first question, first part says 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. So you already know how to transpose. So 3x will come to the left hand side, so it will become minus 3x, and minus 3 will move to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equals to minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Now x is equals to minus 2 by 2, that is equals to minus 1. Now question number 3, 5y minus 2, y minus 3y minus 5 is equals to 6. Now again you open the first bracket first. So it will be 3y, 3 5s are 15 plus 15. Now you open the square bracket. So it will be 2. Y minus 3y will be minus 2y plus 15. Now you can open it. So 2 2s are 4y. And 15 2s are 30. Okay, and all the things will be written as it was. Now this 30 will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become plus 30. So 6 plus 30 and 5 plus 4 is 9y. So 9y is equals to 36. Now y will be 36. This is multiplied over here. When it will come to the right hand side, it will be divided. So 9 4s are 36. So your answer is 4. Okay, in question number 4, part 1, you can see x minus y by 3 is equals to x plus 2 by 6 plus 3. Now here there is a denominator here. So first of all, bring this one to the left hand side, and now you can solve it out. Take the LCM of 3 and 6, that will be 6. So 3 2s are 6, so 2 will be multiplied to whole. So it will be 2x minus 1 minus x plus 2 is equals to 3. Now 6 will be shifted to right hand side, so it will become, okay, or you can open the bracket also. So after opening the bracket you get 2x minus 2, 2 ones are 2, minus x minus plus minus 2 by 6, okay, is equals to 3. Now you have x minus 4 is equals to, this will be shifted, 6 will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will be 6 3s are 18, and after solving those x and numbers you get x minus 4. Now minus 4 will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become plus 4. So x is equals to 18 plus 4, that is equals to 22. Now in question number 6, part 1, here you have the question n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 minus n by n minus 2 by 3. Now again we can shift this to the left hand side. So this will be n minus 1 by 2. This is here minus, so it will become plus over here. So plus n minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1. Okay, now again taking out the LCM, it will be 6n minus 3n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, because 1 6 are 6, so this will be multiplied with 6. 2 3s are 6, so this will be multiplied with 3. And 3 2s are 6, so this will be multiplied with 2. Okay, and this, okay students, now just open the bracket. 3n, it will be minus 3n, 3 1s are 3, so plus 3, 2 into n is 2n, and plus minus is minus, so 2 2s are 4 is equals to 1. Now this 6 will be shifted over here, so it will become 6 1s are 6, and solving this out, what do we get? 6n minus 3n will be 3n, and 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5n, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now minus 1 will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become 6 plus 1 is 7, so n is equals to 7 by 5. Okay, or when you will solve it out, you get 1 2 by 5 in mixed fractions. Whenever you get a numerator greater than the denominator, change it to the mixed fraction. Now in question number 7, again you can see there are brackets over here. So first bracket, or just open all the brackets. So it will be 4 3s are 12x, 4 2s are 8, 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, minus will be plus 2x, 8 2s are 16 minus 16, minus 6 is there, so minus 42x, and minus again plus, so 6 4s are 24. Now solve. So all the x's together. So here it will be 12x minus 30x. This x will come over here, so it will become plus 42x, and this 2x will come over here, so it will become minus 2x. Equals to minus 16 plus 24 minus 8 plus 5 will become minus 5. Whatever is shifting to the opposite side, they will change its sign. Now solve it out. So 12x minus 30x minus 2x plus 42. Okay, so here we can do is 12x plus 42x will be 54x. Now negative, both have negative sign, so minus we can take common. So it will be 30x plus 2x, that is 32x. So 54 minus 32 is 22x. Now here it will be 24 minus 16 plus 8 plus 5, that is equals to 29. So 24 minus 29, that is equals to minus 5. So x is equals to minus 5 upon 22. This is your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.